Hi my lovelies. Now spring is one of my favourite times of year. There's so much we can be cracking on with in the garden, allotment, etc. Things are going at a pace of speed and there's lots and lots to do. So let's crack on with my favourite type of sowing that I like to do. Seeds, etc. at this time of year. So let's get started. Well, here's a little garden centre trip looking at all the different things. Absolutely beautiful, all the different things you can buy. Absolutely amazing. So my first would be corn. Now this is just an absolute favourite. It's great with barbecues, etc. My kids absolutely love this. So keep getting it planted. I tend to start it in the polytunnel and then move it out after the last frost. But yeah, and you can keep on planting it to give yourself extra crops. Then we go on to zucchinis or courgettes, depending where you are. Now these are great. They just keep on giving and they're great to share with people. Have you guys been enjoying the lovely warm weather? I know it's gone a bit funny now, but oh my god, we have been enjoying some nice weather. There's just a few more little planters. Looking ever so healthy. Right, and next is squash. That's a great one to get started as well. Keeping the garden going, and you know, another plant that gives lots back to you, so it's great to have them. Also, what benefits do you guys get from growing in the garden? For me, it gives me freedom. I feel relaxed. It's a bit like a science experiment as well. You get to see how things work and what different conditions. Oh, here we go on to carrots. Absolutely amazing. Got carrots actually outside growing at the moment. Then we'll go on to parsnips and broccolis. All these things I've got outside either in cold frames, bags, etc. But here's my broccolis. They look absolutely amazing. Doing so well in them cold frames. I've also got seeds in there as well. I'm feeling kind of lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, 'cause you're holding it back. Baby, you'll make up your mind now. I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's. So yep, parsnips are a great one to be getting out. They like the colder ground, so they're great, and they're quite a resilient plant to have in. Definitely worth having your parsnips in. You won't get closer to me if you won't open your door. If that's what you want, then baby try to believe me when I say that you can tell me anything. I should say as well, I've also direct sown broccoli, cauliflower, lettuce, potatoes. Make sure the climate's right if you're putting things outside. We've also got strawberries everywhere, but our climate seems to be allowing those items to thrive. It's certainly a busy time of year, my lovelies, but it's so much fun. let me know what you're growing and how your spring's going, as it might help other people. Lots of love. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.